Hello guys, so I've been using TeamMate Plus audit software for a while now, and honestly, if you're in the audit world, this tool really grows on you. The first thing that struck me is how it centralizes all the audit work papers, so everything from documentation to reports is in one place. That alone saves a ton of time compared to juggling spreadsheets and Word files manually. For anyone managing multiple audits or even a single complex audit, having everything in one place eliminates the time and stress spent searching for files or worrying about document versions. This centralization streamlines the entire audit process, helping you stay organized and work more efficiently. I like that it's cloud-based, which means I can access everything from any device, and it adjusts nicely to different audit teams or departments with its configurable fields and workflows. Whether you're working from the office or on the go, the cloud-based feature allows for seamless access, which is a huge advantage when collaborating with remote teams or multiple departments. This flexibility is key for audit teams that work across different locations or need to quickly adapt to changes. Setting up projects is straightforward, and I can assign tasks and track progress across multiple audits without losing track of anything. This eliminates the hassle of managing various tasks on different platforms and ensures that everything is in sync, making it easier to stay on top of deadlines and responsibilities. The dashboards give a clear overview of risks, ongoing issues, and staff availability, which is super helpful when I need to report to management or the audit committee. The visual representation of key metrics ensures that you're always on top of the most important aspects of each audit. You can quickly assess the status of your audits and make informed decisions, making your reporting process more efficient and accurate. This kind of data visualization is especially useful for audit managers who need to quickly identify problem areas, allocate resources, or report progress to upper management. It allows you to prioritize actions and communicate effectively with stakeholders. One of the things I really appreciate is the audit trail. Every change is tracked, which gives me confidence that nothing slips through the cracks, and it makes external reviews so much smoother. This feature is essential for ensuring accountability and transparency, and it's particularly useful when preparing for audits or external reviews. The ability to track changes also adds an extra layer of security and reliability to the audit process, which is critical in compliance-focused environments. Having a robust audit trail ensures that all actions are documented and can be reviewed, making it easier to defend your process if required during regulatory or client reviews. The issue tracking and recommendation closure features are also solid. It's easy to follow up on audit issues and make sure nothing is left unresolved. This helps ensure that issues are addressed promptly and that all recommendations are properly closed out. Keeping track of unresolved issues is key to maintaining the integrity and effectiveness of the audit process, ensuring that everything is addressed in a timely manner. This feature is a huge asset when you're dealing with large audits or complex projects where multiple issues need to be managed simultaneously. That said, there are areas where it feels a bit clunky. Some of the interfaces and dashboards could be more intuitive, and creating custom reports or PowerPoint outputs takes a bit of extra work. While the software is powerful, it's not always the most user-friendly in terms of customization. For users who need to create complex reports quickly, it can be a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier to manage. It's important to note that there is a bit of an adjustment period, and new users may need some time to fully appreciate the flexibility the software offers. A bit more guidance, especially for first-time users, would certainly help make the learning process smoother. The software also has occasional bugs and repetitive steps, which can slow down progress if you're trying to move quickly through multiple audits. It's not uncommon for software to have these small issues, but in an audit environment where speed and efficiency are crucial, this can be a bit of a hurdle. However, the frequent updates address many of these issues, and improvements are consistently rolled out, which shows the company's commitment to making the software better. These updates also ensure that the software keeps evolving, adding new features or enhancing existing ones based on user feedback. Despite that, I feel TeamMate Plus Audit really enforces good audit practices and aligns with industry standards like IAA. So for compliance-focused environments, it's a solid choice. The ability to follow standardized audit procedures and maintain compliance while using the software gives you peace of mind that your audits are on the right track. This makes it especially useful for teams that need to ensure their audits meet regulatory requirements or industry standards. I also appreciate the frequent updates. They really do listen to user feedback, and improvements like better dashboards and enhanced reporting keep rolling in. Integrations with tools like Microsoft Power BI, Excel, and Word make reporting and data visualization much smoother, which I rely on heavily for presenting findings. These integrations allow for a more streamlined reporting process, especially when you're presenting complex data to stakeholders or clients. The ability to seamlessly export reports into different formats is a huge advantage, as it saves time and helps you present findings in a professional and polished manner. Overall, using TeamMate Plus is like having a structured framework that keeps the audit process organized, transparent, and efficient. Even if it takes a little getting used to, for me, it's become an essential tool that makes managing audits way easier than the old manual way. The value it provides in terms of streamlining workflows, improving compliance, and enhancing collaboration far outweighs the learning curve and occasional minor frustrations. Whether you're managing a large team or working on audits independently, TeamMate Plus offers a comprehensive, reliable solution that helps you stay on top of every detail and deliver successful, compliant audits.